Good morning. Welcome to section 7 and the best way to start any section or any day. So I am in 10 sleep and I'm getting ready to head north. And thank you guys for following along. And I want to kick this off with, I've got 2 sections to go, 7 and 8, and then I'll be done with the WYBDR. How many of you guys want to see the rest of my journey? I still got 2 weeks to get to Bend, Oregon and the Pacific Ocean, and then make my way back to home in Colorado. Should I keep this going every day, or have you guys had enough of me? You guys tell me if you want to see me drink coffee every day. I don't know. So leave a comment down below on what you think of that. And yeah, let's go do section 7 and see what this is all about. For anybody who's wondering what I'm wearing this time on a BDR, it's basically the same thing that I always wear. Go back, there's got to be, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 videos on what I wear. The only difference this time is I'm wearing the force field body armor's VX Air shirt. It's CE level 2 everywhere, and it's super breathable, really crazy lightweight. I like this for like more road oriented things. It doesn't have any rib protection like if you're going to go off-road, and it's not quite as protective as their the XK harness, but for what I'm doing now, it's perfectly adequate. And it breathes so well. It's kind of like not wearing anything there, kind of. That view's not so bad, is it? Alright, not in the desert anymore. Yeah, no, that's not even the expert. That's not even the expert section. That's just a section in section 7. Well, it's not boring. Pro tip number 3 and 3.5. If you're out here in the African savannah like I am right now, and you don't have a spot device, number 1, pro tip number 3, get a spot device. Number 2, you didn't get a spot device, take your cell phone out every once in a while and turn it on, take it out of airplane mode, let it find a tower. If you're saving battery, so you don't want to leave it on, that's fine, I get that. But every time your cell phone pings a tower, the tower registers your cell phone pinged me from this direction at this time. So when they're looking for your dead bloated body and they can't find the vultures circling it, right? They just need to get some cell phone data. And somebody may find you. They may not too. All right, here are petroglyphs. Started the civilization, right? Over here we've got Big Mama and Big Daddy, and let's see, over here we got Rock on, party dude. There we go. There we go. That's my next tattoo. I think I might get rained on here. All right, well, so far it's staying over here. There's a little bit on the other side, but I guess we'll find out. I might get wet. Pro tip number 4. In a lightning storm, do not go to the top of the mountain. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh, look. Anyways, yeah. Don't go to the top of the mountain. Pro tip number 5, carry lots and lots of duct tape with you. Well, that took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to take, but here we are at the end of section 7 at the Bear Lodge Resort. The only place with gas for 2,000 miles or something crazy like that. Anyways, yeah, so section 7 was you're either flying along on the highway or you're out in not expert territory. It was a lot of fun. I did dump the bike once. I got stuck in a rut and crashed. That may or may not have been when I broke my windshield. I don't know. But anyways, okay. So I did do 7 and 8 together. So that means tomorrow we'll do section 8 and get this puppy finished. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. And hey, don't forget in the comments, do I keep this going after I finished and I'm headed to Oregon and the Pacific Northwest Overland Expo, or are you guys sick of me? Let me know.